Hey friends, welcome back to Style with Seint, and you're in my style series for eyeshadows. So this is one of the episodes in the style series, and this is when we're getting into the windshield wiper eyeshadow look. So if you're interested, stay tuned. We just covered first how to prep our eyes, then we did the wash, which is a one color application, and now we can layer our eyeshadow as we go, depending on the look we want for the day. So the next one is called the windshield wiper application. And it's when we take a fluffy brush like this. This is our double-ended eyeshadow brush and just super duper for doing almost your whole eye. And I like using a mid-tone matte for this. So in my palette, I have my mid-tone mattes all here. So they give some color. They're mattes, not a shimmer, because we can layer over them also. So for one I'm going to try today is one that I just got on the weekend. It's called Leo. So I actually haven't tried it yet. And we're going to take that and apply it above our crease. If I put it in my crease when my eyes are open or your hooded eyes that come over, you won't see it so much. So I'm just going to apply it in the crease using that windshield wiper motion. Now, depending how much you want in there will be how dark you go. And to keep getting more of me, subscribe and follow, because I'd love to keep in touch with you and help you with your makeup, especially for women over 30, over 40. I'm in my 50s, and I really like to help you simplify your makeup routine. So stay tuned for more.